Good evening, everyone. I am Amrinder Singh, Dye House Production, UPL Ludhiana. I am working as a shift officer. Today, I am going to present my view on introduction of dyes and dyeing. So let's start. This unit contains four modules: are explain the important and the objectives of dyes, identify the difference between dyes and pigment, define the various terms used in dyeing, describe the important feature of various classes of dye. Objectives of dyes: coloring the textile substance like fiber, yarn, fabric, garment uniformly and produce uniform labeling. Achieve acceptable durability of color to further treatment in production and normal end use. Producing the required shade from batch to batch. Characteristics of dyes. Dyes used in coloring textile fiber are synthetic compound. To serve as a useful dye, it should be have following feature: intense color, solubility in water, substantiality to fiber and yarn, durability to wet treatment, safe, easy to handle and reasonably priced. There are three ways of impart color to fiber, yarn or fabric. Method 1, aqueous or conventional dyes. Method 2, pigment, or method 3, solution dyes. Method 1, conventional dye is the most widely used method in textile. Pigment like ink, coloring paints. एग्जाम्पल के लिए हम कोई भी टी शर्ट पर नाइकी या एडिडास एक्सेट्रा कुछ भी लिखा होता है तो पिगमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू ही लिखा जाता है. And solution dyeing technically mean reducing water and chemical, mixing the pigment with raw or polyester chips is called a solution dyeing. Method 1, aqueous or conventional dyeing is the most important and most widely used method. This process involves the use of the dye stuff and the treatment of the textile material in aqueous solution. Method 2, pigment are microscopic size insoluble color particle applied on fabric using special treatment. Method 3, it is a part of the manufacturing fiber production involves adding microsite color. The pigment is added while the fiber is in a liquid or solution form and before from a spin rate. Difference between pigment and dyes. Pigment is an intense color, dyes also is an intense color, insoluble in water and common solvent. Soluble in water during dyeing stage. Are not made to have substantiality to fiber during dyeing stage. Molecular size vary from large to small. Molecular size must be small enough to allow the molecule to penetrate the fiber. Stable to further treatment in production and normal use. Stable to further treatment in production and normal use. Durability depend upon binder used. Binder is used in pigmented dyeing for fixation of dyes. Depend upon a chemical bonding mainly used in fabric and textile. Compatible for all fiber, yarn and fabric. Step for exhaustion dyeing process. Gray yarn scouring and pre-treatment as per requirement. Preparation of dye bath. Start dyeing. Utilize process to remove alkali from dyed yarn. Soaping process is to remove unfixed dyes from surface of yarn. Rinsing fixation as per requirement. Softening. Important term: affinity. It is a term to use to define the attraction between dyes and fiber and yarn. Example, the direct dyes have strong affinity toward cotton. Substantivity. Technically, affinity and substantivity means same. The dye which have high attraction which produce dark shade is said to be highly substantiality on fiber and yarn. Dye bath. For the for the reproducibility, all the amount of dyes and dyeing assistant and the liquor should be measured and recorded accurately in order to follow precisely in future run. Material to liquor ratio. To ensure uniformity throughout the dye bath, a small solution of the dye is made first. Extreme care must be practiced in the preparation of these concentrated solution. Undissolved dye particle may cause unlevel dyeing and form specks on the yarn. And the dye solution is filtered through a coarse filter before entering the machine. How to express the material to liquor ratio, mean ml ratio. This ratio indicates how much liquor is to be taken for dyeing a given weight of the material. Total quantity of the water is to be taken for dyeing depend upon the weight of the material and depend upon the depth of the shade to be dyed is expressed in term of ml ratio. A material or liquor ratio of the 1 is to 6 means that weight of the liquor is to be taken should be 6 times to the weight of the material to be dyed. Washing cycle. This treatment remove unfixed dyes and dyeing assistant from the yarn. The procedure vary from mild rinse with warm water to the use of non-ionic detergent solution at near boil. Bleeding. Bleeding of dyes from a new cloth in the first laundering could be result of poor rinsing in the final stage of dyeing process. Color fastness. Durability of color against various fading process like washing, fastness, rubbing fastness, sunlight fastness, etc. Classification of dyes. Classification of dyes according to solubility and according to application are differ. Soluble dyes. Soluble dyes are mainly ionic and cationic dyes. Dispersed dyes are non-ionic and slightly soluble in water. Pigment dyes are insoluble in water. Acid dyes. Acid dye is mainly used for protein fiber and polyamide. Basic dye is mainly used for acrylic. Pre-metallized acid dye is used for protein fiber. And rest of the all dyes are used for cellulose fiber. Acid dyes available in the form of salt, water soluble and applied in acidic medium. Mainly used for wool, silk, nylon or spandex. Produce complete color range, good for color fastness to light fastness, dry cleaning, crockery fastness. Chrome moderate and metallic dyes. Metallic salt of the copper are added to dye molecule for fixing dye. Water soluble and applied with acidic medium, mainly applied on wool or silk. Excellent fastness to preparation, washing, crockery, laundering fastness. Basic dyes. Basic dye is derived from salt of triphenylmethane derivative water soluble and contain cationic group. Used for acrylic and modified acrylic fiber can be effective for wool and silk. But basic dyes have poor fastness properties. Produce a complete range of bright color, good in light washing and crocking fastness. Wet dyes. Wet dyes are insoluble in water, mainly applied on cellulose fibers such as cotton, viscose, jute, etc. Produce very good fastness like washing, crocking, sunlight, laundry, perspiration, fastness, but limited section of color like orange, blue, bright green. Have large amount of dyes are required for deep shade. Very lengthy, costly and time consuming process. Reactive dyes. These are the four types of reactive dyes: cold brand, hot brand, Ramazol dyes, and bifunctional dyes. Reactive dyes have four different classes as below: cold brand, hot brand, Ramazol dyes, and bifunctional dyes. Cold brand is react with fiber at room temperature in presence of sodium carbonate. Hot brand react with cellulose fiber in presence of sodium carbonate at 80 to 90 degree temperature. Ramazole dyes react in presence of sodium carbonate and sodium hydroxide to form vinyl sulfone group at 60-degree temperature. Bifunctional dyes. Modified version of reactive dyes and mostly used in textile industry and applied in alkali medium with pH range from 9 to 12. Advantage of reactive dyes. Available in a complete range of color including very bright color, very good fastness properties like washing, crocking, laundry, light and perspiration, etc. Direct dyes. Direct dyes derived from formulation of benzene salt, water soluble and least expensive dyes. Easy to apply and can be applied directly without pre-treatment and fixing agent are not required. Available in a wide range of color. Fastness properties are not so good. These dyes are class mainly used for denim like jeans used as a background color for discharge printing. Azoic and naphthalene dyes. Azoic and naphthalene dyes are gain dyes. Dyes are derived from aryl amide organic compound, insoluble in water and primarily applied on cellulose fiber. And the last one is sulfur dyes. Produce a complete range of color in dull shade. Poor light fastness but good fastness to washing and crocking and laundering. It is mainly used for cellulose fiber in black, brown, navy, olive or in medium to dark shade. Thank you all, and I am grateful to you for giving me the opportunity to work with you. For any inquiry and question, text or call me anytime. Thank you.